Sonia is a nutritionist at ABCD Head Start in Boston, Massachusetts. She will be demonstrating the safe procedures for operating a food mixer. Because of the moving parts and electricity, using and cleaning food mixers can be dangerous. Please review the segment on electrical safety before using this piece of equipment. This illustration shows the part of the food mixer and attachments that you should know. Before using a food mixer, you need to follow a few general safety guidelines. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry because they can get caught in the equipment. Before starting or changing food preparation tasks, wash your hands. Follow the food code and your standard operating procedures for glove use, and be sure all equipment, pans, and utensils are clean and sanitized. Because you are working with a piece of equipment with moving parts, keep your hands and utensils away from the mixer bowl and attachments when operating. Now, Sonia is going to show you how to safely use the food mixer to make a harvest cake batter. First, check that the machine is unplugged and the power switch is off. Then, place the bowl so that the holes on the brackets of the bowl line up, and then fasten the clamp securely. Now, place the beater in the bowl and lock it in place over the shaft pin. Then, use the bowl lift handle to raise the bowl to mix position. Make sure the bowl does not touch the beater and damage the equipment. This could cause metal shavings to physically contaminate the food. Place the food to be mixed into the bowl. Close the mixer guard. Plug the machine into the electrical outlet, choose the lowest mixing speed, and then turn the machine power switch on. Turn the machine off before switching gears for a higher or lower mixing speed. If your machine does not have a guard or chute, turn the machine off and allow the beater to stop before adding more ingredients. After the food is processed, turn the machine off. Unplug the machine from the electrical outlet. Now, lower the bowl with the lift handle, remove the beater, and unlatch the bowl. Remove the bowl from the machine and place it on a dolly, cart, or table. If the bowl is heavy, get someone to help you lift it. Remove the food from the bowl. Safe cleaning directions. When you finish using the food mixer, clean and sanitize it to prevent cross-contamination. Follow lockout, tagout procedures. First, make sure that all the food mixer power sources are off. Now, carefully wash, rinse, and sanitize the bowl and attachments in the 3-compartment sink. To do this, rinse and wash pieces in warm water and mild detergent. Then rinse well and sanitize. Sanitizing will depend on the type of sanitizer used. Check your operation's standard operating procedures. Allow to air dry. Next, clean the mixer. Wash with warm water and mild detergent and rinse. Always wring out the excess water from the cloth. Sanitize the machine and allow it to thoroughly air dry. Mop up any spills or water on the floor around the machine. If you believe your food mixer is not working properly, tell your supervisor. Never try to fix it yourself or ask anyone who is not trained. This concludes the food mixer segment of the training. Please take a few minutes to answer the review questions provided by your supervisor. You should get a demonstration in addition to this training to ensure your safety when using the equipment. If you have any questions or need more help to safely operate the equipment, ask your supervisor. Remember that food mixers may be different, and you should always refer to the user's manual provided by the manufacturer for more specific instructions, or ask a supervisor.